Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Christopher Vogelmann. I'm a practicing chiropractor here in Rockville, Maryland, with offices also in Alexandria, Virginia. Now today I wanted to discuss a little bit about lower back pain. Now many of you who are out there have suffered lower back pain at one time or another and may be curious about the idea if chiropractic care can help you. Well, let me give you a little bit of information about chiropractic. First of all, one of the main causes of lower back pain can be something called a subluxation, which is nothing more nor less than a fancy name for a misalignment, pinching, or causing pressure on a nerve. Now, that misalignment can be similar in your spine to, say, my finger, representing the nerves of the spine, and this rubber band representing the misalignment. Now, as I tighten the rubber band around my finger, you can tell that it's changing to a lovely shade of red or purple. And it really is uncomfortable, much as misalignments in your spine can produce uncomfortable symptoms in your lower back. In chiropractic, we seek to remove that interference of that misalignment, just as I'm removing the rubber band, and take away the choking or pinching of the nerve to restore your body back to normal. Now, there are other causes of pain in the lower back other than simply the misalignment. For example, there is trauma from the past. You may have had an old sports injury, you may have fallen down the stairs recently, you may have bruised your tailbone or your coccyx or your sacrum and had some difficulty arising from that. Also, there are little joints that are behind your lower back called facets, which are little angle joints which glide back and forth. Now, sometimes you may have a bit of a sway back, perhaps you've had pregnancy, or you have one of those Budweiser tumors which causes pressure on those joints behind your back. You may have found that MRI didn't show it, and perhaps all the tests that you've had in the medical profession haven't shown it. But these facets, these little angle joints in the back, can also be a cause of lower back pain. And one of the lower back pain causes that many of you may be most familiar with is that of the herniated disc or slip disc. Now sometimes some material from inside of your disc may slip out through an area where the ligaments are weak around your disc. And this can cause direct pressure upon the nerves, sending pain down your leg, causing paresthesia, paralysis, or a numb tingling feeling going all the way down, even to your toes. Even in those serious situations, chiropractic care can help. I found that over the last couple of decades, very few of my patients who have true herniated disc problems actually have had surgery. In fact, low back surgery very often is only successful statistically in only 1 out of 100 cases. Now, those aren't very good odds. But I will say that with chiropractic care, you can increase your odds to having not only a pain-free or greatly pain-reduced time with your lower back pain, but also having greater strength, greater flexibility, and with guidance, physical therapy, recommended exercises, proper nutrition, and making just a few small changes in your lifestyle, you can eliminate or reduce greatly your lower back pain. Now, one of the things that makes me unique in this area is not only do I have my undergraduate degree from Harvard University in psychology, but I've also studied neurobiology while I was at Harvard and have taken many extensive postgraduate courses after having graduated from Logan Chiropractic College. I've taken classes in radiology, advanced classes in orthopedics, neurology, nutrition, detoxification programs, and a whole host of other seminars and courses designed to expand my knowledge and provide you with the latest cutting-edge therapies and techniques. Now, here at our office, we keep things very simple. I charge $50 for a consultation examination fee, and we really want to reduce the barrier to you trying chiropractic care. So if this is something that interests you, or you simply want to have a question answered by me or some comments, please feel free to call my office at area code 301-881-1110. Once again, that's 301-881-1110. You can also reach me in Alexandria at 703-619-1002 or on the web at www.drvogelmann.com. That's drvogelmann.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much for listening and watching this video today. Goodbye.